double C's with a cash pack. She living in her best life, people Snapchat. I know she pressure, I gotta get it, I'm like that. I be a hustle, she be my book, I'm a wife dad. But she missing the pennies.
What's up, you guys? My name is Alexis. You can call me Lexi, and today's video is on a hair review. I was sent this hair from Unice Hair. Thank you, by the way. This is from Unice Hair off of Amazon, and it's a wig. It's a T-part wig, and this is just going to be the initial impressions, unboxing video, what to expect to receive once you receive this hair. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so this is the hair. Inside you get a wig. You also get a wig cap, which you're gonna always need wig caps. Wig caps is key for your wigs. And you get a little gift pouch, which this is so cute. And inside, let's see what's inside. Oh, you get a headband. Okay, at first I thought this was a bottle. I was about to say they plug it. Okay, you get a headband, which this is actually really cute and it's really soft. And then you get, I'm gonna have to wear these lashes though. Like, you guys know how normally you get hair and the lashes are like those really thin, just weird looking lashes. These ones actually look good. I'm gonna have to give these a try. Okay. Now on to the hair. So for the hair, it is the specs are black and brown wig, and it is a T-part wig, and it is 18 inches long. I will insert what the price was here because I don't remember the price off my head. Now this is the wig, and sorry, I'm just like moving too fast. So it came out this package. This is a wig, comes with a little protective net and this little thing on the inside. And this is the hair, and it feels really, really soft. Very minimal shedding, like little to no hair, like maybe one strand to like no strands while I'm brushing through it. Like here's one little strand. So the hair is actually really soft. It's a tad bit of a smell, but the smell is not really like the strong smell like you normally smell from like overly processed hair. So that's a plus. And this is the wig on the inside. So like I said, it's a T-part wig. For those of you who've never had a T-part wig or have never seen them, a T-part wig is where all this is like track still, but it still is a little more flexible at the top, so you could like shift your wig around, so it's not just the middle part, because as you see, this is just all the lace you get as far as parting. So it's not flexible as far as like moving your part, but it is a little more flexible as far as like sliding your wig to the side and having it as a side part, etc. So this is the inside. That's the construction of the wig. It comes with the 3 combs, one right here, 2 on the side, and you also get the elastic bands to tighten the wig. I could just already tell off the bat, just based off my head, because I do low-key have like a bigger size head, that this is going to be a little small. And these are the knots. So as you can see the knots as clear as day. So this wig does not come pre-plucked or anything, so you're still gonna have to like customize it yourself. So as you see, there is a little lace there and a little lace in the front right here and some lace right here. And you could, oh, and then this lace right here, you could actually bleach that. So what I'm gonna do, since I have it in braids, I can't really put it on my head, I'm gonna actually place this wig on my dirty wig cap and see how it looks on there. It looks really pretty. So like I said before, the specs, it's an 18-inch wig, and it came to me dyed and everything. Like, of course it's an unboxing, but I did not customize it. As far as like the dye job, is not ombre. It looks like they kind of just like picked out some pieces and just dyed it blonde. What is that? It starts with a B. I'm not even gonna say the name because I'm gonna butcher it, but this is the wig, and it looks really good. One thing I would say is it could be thicker. I like my hair full, so like I might have to end up cutting this. I really hope not. It just looks a little thin towards the ends a little bit. It has a lot of body, like stiff wear. It moves, it's moving. And also a good thing about T-part wigs is that a lot of the times when you do buy a T-part wig, it is a lot cheaper because like they don't have to spend extra time to like customize the lace. I mean, well, to make the whole lace front. It's a lot less work, so a lot of times it's cheaper. So this is key to get a more affordable wig. This is really it so far. It's really pretty, I'm not gonna lie. And like I said, the smell is really not there. It's like a little faint smell, and I feel like maybe because since they did dye this part, but there's really no smell. And just the body and the shine, like this is all natural lighting, by the way. So just look at the, oh my gosh, like you guys, this is so pretty. So pretty. I can't wait to finally try this wig on and give you guys an update on how it wears and what it's looking like, because so far it gets a thumbs up for me. That is my initial thoughts and review on it. I will do a follow-up video to show like how it wears. There's really nothing bad about it except for it could be a little bit thicker and a little bit bigger for like those who have like a big head like me. That being said, I will list everything that you guys need to know down below, as long as some coupon codes that the company provided me with to share with you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.
I say, yeah.